Does the strength training need to change as we get older? Or are we just going to need to change the way we think about strength? I'm Janet McConnell, national bodybuilding competitor, fitness educator, and someone who didn't even start strength training until I was in my late 40s. In this final video of my 5-part series, I'm sharing 3 truths that completely changed how I approach strength training now versus before, when I first started, and how you can align your workouts with what matters now: longevity, confidence, and feeling good in your body again. When I first started training, I thought strength meant pushing harder, heavier weights, longer sessions, no pain, no gain. What a mindset. But then, as I moved into my 50s and now in my 60s and approaching 70, my life has thrown me some curveballs, and I had injuries, illness, emotional stress, and I realized that strength is way more than just physical power. It's being able to adapt to life, recover from setbacks, reclaim your place in the world, and find resilience. It's for having energy for the rest of your life, not just today. It's building a body that supports your future and not just your reflection in the mirror. This shift isn't about lowering your standards because of your age. It's about raising the right standards higher. So, truth number 1, strength means protecting your joints and your joy. Listen, I used to chase PRs and praise to tell me who I was and what I was worth. Frankly, looking back, it's kind of a miserable place to reside. Now I train with intention. I want to move gracefully, feel energetic, and recover fast. And that means mobility stretches, warm-ups, thoughtful form, and plenty of rest. Strength is what allows you to keep going, not just burn out. Truth number 2, consistency beats intensity every time. One of the biggest mistakes I made early on, going too hard, too fast. Hey, I was excited. I wanted to achieve a level of excellence. I saw that I was capable if I just applied myself to the standard. At this stage, your secret weapon isn't a brutal workout. It's showing up regularly. 30 to 45 minutes, 3 times a week, done right, can change your life. It sounds like a lot. It also sounds like not very much. It's pretty effective because lasting strength isn't built in a sweaty pile of epic sessions of working out. It's built over time, one workout at a time, one good night's sleep at a time. The third truth is train for longevity, not just aesthetics. Let's be honest. I mean, we all care about how we look. But now I care more about how I function. And interestingly, when you are functioning with ease, you have better posture. You have more ease with your walking gait, more grace when stooping down to pick something up off the floor. And in a funny way, that actually is aesthetically pleasing. Ask yourself, can I enjoy a hike, lift my groceries, play with my grandkids, get up off the floor with only one hand to support you, go on an active vacation trip that isn't limited to a bus window or a cruise deck? Cobblestones and uneven steps can lead to some pretty amazing experiences. Can I arrange my own furniture or rearrange it and rearrange it? Can I move big flower pots on the patio? Do I not mind a parking spot that's pretty far away from the front door of the store? Can I negotiate stairs even when it's just more than one floor that I'm going? Or do I just sort of like look for the elevator? They are strength goals that are taken for granted when we're 30. But when you're 70, they're a victory. Oh yeah, and a strong functional body still looks fantastic. Being on the cover of Sports Illustrated is a standard of looks that, I don't know, in my opinion, maybe it's because I'm older, It doesn't compare to how sexy someone looks who actually takes care of their body. It tells you so much about their self-worth, their self-esteem, their self-belief, their self-love, because they are taking care of the vehicle that they live in so they can live a long life. Well, when I got to my mid 40s, I didn't feel young and beautiful. I felt worn out and weak. I had gone through a health crisis that I've documented quite a few times, and it left me depleted and unsure of my future. I walked into the gym not knowing what to do and definitely didn't feel like I belonged. But I stayed. I learned. I adapted. I had an awesome trainer in my corner who squared my shoulders and pushed me out onto the floor like helping your kid learn to ride a bicycle. Go. And what I built wasn't just a body. I built confidence, self-respect, trust in myself. And that's why I say, you're not just lifting weights. You're lifting your life. Youth is fleeting. Young beauty is fleeting. Perfection is a myth. And being older is an asset because you've lived through stuff of life. You have perspective. You've got patience that you've developed from doing hard things. And so you just have to begin. Keep showing up. If you're navigating aging, transition, or reinvention, strength training isn't just allowed, it's essential. You are on your hero's journey. Don't you forget it. Be aware. And I'm right here. I'm your Obi-Wan Kenobi. I've walked this path, and I'm here to help you write the strongest chapter you've written yet. In my next video, I'll be sharing some personal journey stories with you, coming back after surgery, rehab, and rebounding to a stronger victory when I thought and I was told that I would never be able to compete again. Not true. Sometimes one of the greatest gifts someone can give you is to tell you you can't do something. So I'll talk about that too. If you've had shoulder, knee, or hip surgery, or a loved one, this episode is for you. Remember this, aging isn't the end of strength. It's the upgrade package. And you are just getting started.